The great Indian middle class. About 40% of India's population consists of it. That's 40% of 1 billion people. You can do the math. Indian middle class loves to bargain and wants more and more value for money. We wanted to tell people that Bingo Premium Salted Potato Chips was offering 25% extra chips in every 5 rupee pack. Now how do you get them to buy your brand when every other snack brand claims to offer extra? How do you communicate when the media is bombarded with promotional advertising? How do you break the clutter and be heard? That was our challenge. Thanks to Indian Railways, we were able to do just that. Railways is the lifeline of India. About 11 million people travel by train every day. Majority of the trains are inevitably running late. People wait for long hours at stations and a lot of snacking happens during this time. Here was a captive audience waiting to be targeted. We decided to use a medium that was never explored. The Indian Railways public address system. It took some convincing, but Indian Railways were a good sport. While people were waiting for their train, we used the public address system and announced in the same tone and manner that railways do.
यात्री कृपया ध्यान दें, मैसूर से तिरुपति जाने वाली 116 अप टेम्पल एक्सप्रेस अपने निर्धारित समय से 7 घंटे की देरी से चल रही है और जैसे ही गाड़ी के इंजन ड्राइवर बिंगो प्रीमियम सॉल्टेड का पैक खाना खत्म करेंगे, वैसे ही गाड़ी प्लेटफॉर्म नंबर 8 से रवाना होगी। इस असुविधा के लिए हमें खेद है, लेकिन क्या करें, बिंगो प्रीमियम सॉल्टेड में पूरे 25% ज्यादा चिप्स है, जिसको खाने में ज्यादा वक्त लगता है। धन्यवाद। बिंगो प्रीमियम सॉल्टेड, नो कंफ्यूजन, ग्रेट कॉम्बिनेशन।
The results were phenomenal. Unsuspecting people thought that this was a regular announcement until our trademark boing sound was heard. These announcements were carried out at select railway stations. Besides many hearty laughs, we also got a 32% increase in our volume sales. People neither missed the message nor their train.